All right. Let's go. Inkosi. Yo, exact. Chat, I just came back from work, y'all. It's 7 a.m. right now. First thing I went to is like this. I've been avoiding, okay? I already saw clips on YouTube. Instagram, clips on TikTok. I've been avoiding to listen to anything, avoiding the internet in general because I want to have my own first-hand experience on this thing. First song in months, 10 plus months. 2014 prayer. It sounds like not one of the bangers. Doesn't sound like the bangers that I usually drops. But let's try what he got. Let's see what he got this time around. You know what I'm saying? Ingor. And let's see guys style of dropping a song and a music video. I kinda like it. Otherwise, but I have to. I worked from 7 last night till 7 this morning, 7 to 7. Crazy, but this is the work that I wanna do. Actually, I wanna be part. This is what I wanna do. Banjani, Nini, and Yaz, because yeah, whatever. Let's focus on this. Let's go. It's in Inkosi. Home Garanto. Kayeke, yo, volume. Yo, Garanto. Kayeke, we are busy now. It's busy as a new wave and in. See? Oh, see? Yo, we're having a good week. Ngeneno just dropped and then Inkosi comes back. We're having a good week. Hi, Bota, bravo. Yes, sir. Let's go. He's choosing beats. His beat choice. Fuck out of here. Oh, unfaka speaker. Something is missing. Unplugging speaker. Let's run it back. Unplugging speaker. Fuck. 2014 prayer. Usphetele ndoni. Let's go. Okay. Inkosi, Yamandebele. Yes, sir. Inkosi, Yamandebele. Let's go. I like it. This bro. Beat choice, this bro. He will choose one of the best beats. Uzowenza show me beat is spot on. Shout out to Linati from Emfuleni. Shout out to you, Bruella. So I see you. I say sound yako sendiyazi Buddha. Shout out to Linati Junior from Emfuleni, a young kid. Shout out to the young blood over there. Beat choice. There's one thing when flow state and chill, but like the closest thing to put legend is him. Damn, bruh. Mama couldn't pull up sale, that big 720 my brother sing as Samusem, otherwise I'm Pagamisem, my heart is in my fucking pressure, but they try and bust it that thing is doing solid danger like fuck this don't go yet the pressure, try this fuck to give you papa, dancing at the same lala, Saturday jump party baka, no one knows the way sasa, Sundays dancing yabi safa, nothing else
Pasas patas patas city shit Nobekai Mama ranza mfulunyang Sorry masya pigisan XP ngowa lapa na Understand man singumnan Cause I'm simply superstar Jesus busy kwenum dal You will super sense mar So man saving play the high spot Where we from a pune stars So man full and pume gas Stizy saying my see attacks The dream is sing by night was Now I'm in between the lines I'm checking yas up for me boss But then they came back she was They crazy back to 2014
Nah. Oh my God, he's spazzing. He's spazzing. Except at the end of the day, ekhaya sengumntana bra. But ebusuku ndiyi-superstar. Mna eske daniphatha upaka but except on a Sundays danibhizi ndibulela isayfa dog. Oh my God, he's spazzing. Oh my God, he's spazzing. He just put me in. Oh my God, bruh. Let's go. Whoever did this clip, this video, these visuals, oh my God, sick. Linati Junior boy. That's spend a lot of time out, fully game it move and John. Now I'm busy jogging back, buy a record, live and John. I watch the clip to find the answer. Dollar sign by ends and John. I did a shit for 5 years. Sing and sing with John. I came through, sing capital. Oh my God, what did you do to plot for 5 years, bruh? He's been plotting for 5 years, bruh. I came into the game, this old chong by Ranong Ban, but still I didn't give a fuck by Ranong Ban. Then from the clips, dollar sign, yo, that's the description, that whole rhyme scheme describing the painting a picture, that is a picture well painted. Storytelling to oh my God, bro, what is happening? Taking it with they like kill shows, but now they say like me. Danny poop and leg, the whole gang, Danny Bellet and send the girls to Marcusson. Man, I wish you well, the voices in my head. Oh my God, that did something to me right there. Send regards to Michael Sin, man. Man, I wish him well. Yo, say, Chad, I don't wanna lie. Am I the only one who thought Lewe Yamashita a prank? Am I the only one who thought by Excel Yamashita does at the back end? Cause I don't even know the story again because I've never like entertained it to that extent. Yeah, because there's tattoo way, but I don't know like because in my mind that I'm Yamashita into young walk man as a penachike abo abe grand because Lake Duo is one of the best duos we ever had. And again, it wasn't even about the music because we do have duos. Okay, Kid, no Orish, Umido, no April Young. We do have duos, but Lake Duo was just a different type of duo, man. That was very necessary. Prank, and I'm so hurt the fact that now, because this is a sign that this thing is never gonna be fixed again, bruh. And bruh, just know someone has let you go, bruh. Once I wish you well, my dog. It's chai. To people like me who were fans of this duo, let's put on some flowers. It's chai. I'm hurt to even, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, shout out to you Michelson, man. Fuck. I'm told few miles in the close, top 1 Colombia close, whole game gone full of froze. Now stand up, sense it toast. I with the bluff, to Dave, always did the only crazy back to 2014. I'll go and sit for me. I am in the spinning in, while the lines in sick casino. Baby kiss, balancing. This she shows up super mean. Moving city, let's the beat. Let's the king, it's in my team. Trace it back to 2014. I'll go and sit for me. I am in the spinning in, while the lines in sick casino. Baby kiss, balancing. This she shows up This one was eaten. Shout out to Black Rick. Break who? Black Rico, man. You ate, bro. You ate. The visions, everything you ate. I like it's like on some American shit. Too much, boys. Ora, I like what you did with the first verse, bruh. You drove me in, bruh. You drew me in, telling me about now your side of the family, like what is happening, yeah, with your bruise and everything, yeah, then you came in and say, okay, yo, you know what? Regardless of what was what, I knew what I was doing. I'm like, really, I planned for 5 years. Oh shit, we are not that patient. 5 years just planning. Hey, you are patient, bro. You are patient, bro. You are a patient, bro. Which means this thing, you know what you are doing, dog. I ain't hate a part of Michael. I wanna lie. Different style, but oh my god, they were beautiful. Shout out to Inkosi, Yamandebele. Inkosi. It's your boy Extra, shining out.